Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Well, for this chance, we talk about lesson plan. Before we come to the lesson plan, I hope you can see the background of the picture. I made it compass. I believe every one of you know the function of compass. It is similar with the lesson plan. Lesson plan's function so or will help us to achieve our goal. It is similar with the compass. Compass help the ship's captain to achieve the goal, to achieve their destination. So this is the first concept of lesson plan. It is the similarities concept between lesson plan and concept. Well, as we can see in this slide, lesson plan, it is from syllabus, and syllabus, it is from curriculum. In other words, curriculum is an umbrella of syllabus, and syllabus is an umbrella of lesson plan. Curriculum is realized in syllabus. Finally, syllabus relies in lesson plan. The most important thing for current issue, current information, occur in lesson plan. Our ministry, Mas Nadiem Makarim, said that RPP 1 lembar. Lesson plan equal rencana pelaksanaan pembelajaran or RPP. Makarim already explained it, that it is really important to simplify lesson plan from his point of view. Long time ago, teachers were tired to formulate, to arrange, to write the lesson plan. Teachers were tired for administration work. So, the main function of the teacher are missed. We can see here, based on the Permendikbud number 22 of 2016, there are many items which is written by the teacher in lesson plan or RPP. There are 13 items. 1. Identitas sekolah. 2. Identitas mata pelajaran. 3. Kelas dan semester. 4. Materi pokok. 5. Alokasi waktu. 6. Tujuan pembelajaran. 7. Kompetensi dasar dan indikator pencapaian kompetensi. 8. Materi pembelajaran. 9. Metode pembelajaran. 10. Media pembelajaran. 11. Sumber belajar. 12. langkah-langkah pembelajaran. 13. Penilaian hasil pembelajaran. So, teacher will spend around 15 to 20 pages in order to write, in order to make, in order to formulate lesson plan. We can imagine for 1 year of academic year. Now, with the concept of Merdeka Belajar, our ministry, Mas Nadi, make a Permendikbud number 14 in 2019. He simplified the lesson plan into 3 main items. 1. Tujuan pembelajaran. 2. Kegiatan pembelajaran. 3. Assessment atau penilaian. It means that in making the lesson plan or RPP, the teacher must make the 3 items of this. It is free for the teacher. If the teacher want to add another items, welcome. But at least 3 items should be included in the lesson plan. So the Permendikbud number 14 of 2019 relies in this model format RPP, or we can see the clear one here. Model format RPP sesuai surat edaran Kemendikbud number 14 2019. Here we can see this is the identity of school, subject, kelas and semester, materi pokok, alokasi waktu, tujuan pembelajaran, langkah-langkah kegiatan pembelajaran, langkah-langkah kegiatan pembelajaran, alat dan bahan, pertanyaan, siswa berlatih praktik dan mengerjakan tugas halaman, siswa mempresentasikan hasil kerja kelompok, siswa berlatih praktik, siswa mempresentasikan hasil, menyimpulkan dan penilaian pembelajaran. It means that it is assessment. From 2.2 until 2.4, it is an assessment. However, there is a catatan komponen lainnya sebagai pelengkap. It should be written as a enclosed or as a lampiran of this lesson plan. So I think for this time, I hope you have already understand the concept of lesson plan. Why the lesson plan simplified for nowadays. And for the next time, we'll discuss about lesson plan, especially for the previous one and the current one. And I hope you can spend only 5 minutes to make one lesson plan in your future when you are as a teacher. I think that's all. Goodbye. See you in the next meeting.